Exploring the underwater world sure seems fun, but you need some essential gear to keep you safe and functional to do such an activity. Among those essentials, any scuba diving professional will recommend that the first purchase you make should be a dive computer. A dive computer measures, stores, and displays all the essential data so that you can remain safe beneath the water. Modern dive computers also have features that include GPS and compass navigation, gas measurement under air pressure, gas tank level, and many more. And therefore, in today's video, we are going to discuss 7 best dive computers for safe diving based on their durability, features, and functionalities. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
A modern hands-free dive computer with floating heads-up displays. The ScubaPro Galileo Hud allows you to keep your hands free underwater, giving you the enjoyment of freedom. Unlike other diving computers, this one comes with a heads-up display that can be attached to your mask using a zip tie or come pre-installed on a frameless model, giving you maximum autonomy. For your ultimate convenience, it supports a vast range of masks. Boasting a very decent 96 by 64 OLED nano display, this shows microbubble level, remaining air level in the tank, ambient air pressure bar, battery level, and a real-time compass without even taking your eyes off the surroundings. For accurate data, use the dedicated app. Give your hands the freedom of movement while roaming underwater with the ScubaPro Galileo Hud, which brings the convenience of underwater data just in front of your face. To satisfy the most tech-savvy divers' needs, the i770R dive computer brings cutting-edge technologies to your wrist to provide you the ultimate support for your underwater endeavors. Built to withstand the most rugged impact, this device boasts a very robust and compact design. And to make using this device even more convenient, a water activation mode is available which will self-activate the device when you dive into the water. Featuring an ultra-bright TFT color screen, this device lets you use its easy-to-use interaction with perfect clarity in any condition. Plus, its rechargeable lithium battery will last you long enough. This device features a 3-axis full-tilt compass for easy navigation, which contains easy-to-read graphics and a compass bearing lock with a reciprocal heading. Also, it can switch up to 3 nitrox gases along with 100% O2 water. Go anywhere underwater, no matter whether saltwater or freshwater, with the Aqua Lung i770R computer that packs all the necessary technologies which will make your underwater adventures more joyful than ever before. From the one who is the first to design a dive computer along with ultra-modern smartphone technology, the Mares bring the Mares Genius, a long-awaited successor to the Icon HD with a whole bunch of new features. Displayed on a full HR mineral glass display, all dive data on this device will be easy to read underwater. With the full tilt digital compass and stopwatch feature, you can easily navigate your way underwater with an accurate time record. Battery life is excellent with this device as it features a smart battery management system that provides up to 40 hours of diving time on a single charge. Plus, This device uses ZHL16C algorithm that computes how gases enter and leaves your body as the air pressure changes up to 5 gases. Besides, the device is also equipped with a hard drive that can store up to 1000 hours of diving information for easy data availability. Connect to its dedicated app and you can check all your data on the screen of your smartphone. Record all your data and dive safely with the Mare's Genius, a genius device just like its name, which makes all your diving information readily available on the wrist of your hand. Poised to become the favorite computer for divers of all skill levels, the ScubaPro G2 WRIST is packed with all the new features and functionalities. This underwater computer features a full-color TFT 2.2-inch LCD display that offers excellent vibrant colors so that you can read what's on the screen. With its multi-gas ZHL16ADT-MB algorithm, this device can program up to 8 nitrox or trimix mixes to handle any clinical diving situation. Additionally, it measures your heart rate and core temperature to ensure safe diving. It works in many modes, including scuba, free diving, gauge, CCR, and side mount, making this device well suited for whatever diving activity you do. Follow your passion for diving wherever it takes you with the ScubaPro G2 WRIST, a versatile dive computer that keeps your diving data sorted no matter what type of diving recreational activities you do. Designed to be elegant and simple, but functional, the Cressi Leonardo is a superb option when it comes to diving computers, especially for those beginners who want to dive. It features an excellent edge-to-edge, a high-definition screen that displays extensive numeric data which is easy to read and understand. Also, to make the whole experience even more enriched, the device features only one button to navigate through programs of AIR, nitrox, and gauge modes. Besides, this rugged and completely modular computer further boasts an audible alarm to deliver critical information during the dives. Bring aesthetics to your wrist with the Cressi Leonardo, a sleek dive computer ideal for beginners. Suppose you have just begun diving or wish to experience fresh undersea escapades. In that case, the SUUNTO Zoop Novo will make every data available with a swing of your wrist whenever you need it. This dive computer features a composite-made bezel and a case along with acrylic glass for enhanced durability, waterproofing, and impact resistance. Plus, its elastomer strap will last long while keeping your hand comfortable. It features a super bright backlit display that is big and easy to read in any condition. Besides, with SUUNTO RGBM algorithms functionalities along with 5 dive modes, this device brings the ultimate safety and convenience to your wrist. You will be able to access as well as download your dive logs for advanced analysis to create dive plans with the SUUNTO DM5 software. Even, you can share all of your maps and logs with your friends with your SUUNTO Move Scout. Bring the ease of use in your dive computer with the SUUNTO Zoop Novo, an excellent underwater computing device that is ideal for its functionality, practicality, and of course, durability. Packed with innovative multi-sport training and smart characteristics, the Garmin Descent MK2i is an all-integrated dive computer that will keep you safe and informed with its advanced features and functionalities. This rugged piece of technology is durable while showing sophisticated characteristics when it comes to the looks with its large sunlight-readable 1.4-inch color display. To integrate the pressure monitoring on tanks, pair this with a Descent T1 and share the details with other divers with the Subwave sonar data network system within the range of 10 meters. Plus, you can track your entry and exit data with its Surface Multi-GNSS feature. Besides, it features multiple customizable dive modes for angle and numerous gas dives for your convenience. You can also store up to 200 diving logs for a secured record, which can also be shared via the Garmin Dive app. All in all, the Garmin Descent MK2i is an excellent dive computer that brings usability and functionality to the optimal level and gives you the enhanced convenience that other dive computers will fail to comprise. So that was our list of the 7 best dive computers for safe diving. Thanks for watching it. Like this video and share it with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.